And there's a big dog right there. Okay, so this leg here going to be a key leg here this afternoon. Look up top. We got, yes, 40,000 push up to get that move out of there. Let's go up top here. Now remember, this is ES, so those numbers are not as big as they are on the Nasdaq. So relative, if you guys have been around a while and been like, holy cow, I've never seen a big number like that, it's because we've been on Nasdaq. ES, this is less, I wouldn't say powerful, but for lack of better terms, if a 40,000 on a Nasdaq is going to be way, way, way more. 40,000 up into that leg, that entire leg here, and there's a level 19. This is going to be an important level later today, so I'm going to mark this one as we did yesterday afternoon at the end of yesterday. Remember that key pink line that I drew? We are doing another one of those right now because of this giant set here. This is going to be kind of what I'm going to call like one of the lines in the sand today, and I'm going to make that very visual for myself. I'm going to also set it to global so I can see it on all of the charts. Let's adjust the size of this line. I'm going to make it an 8. There we go. We want this one and make this a nice magenta, size 8. Monstrosity. Attached to all charts. There we go. Okay, so now any chart is, I come down here to the lower time frame as well. You see, this is going to show on my charts anything that has global enabled. Now, if that didn't work for you, let me show you something everybody always forgets. So I'm here to teach, remember. I'm going to come in here to data series, and there is an option in here that allows global drawing objects. Here it is right here. You need to make sure this is set. This is one of those hidden settings, okay? Just so we drill it into ourselves here today. Let's have everybody type this in the chat. Type in show global draw objects. This will ingrain it in your mind because this happens all the time. You're going to forget about this. I promise. I've been doing this a long time. I've forgotten it. You guys forget it. It's like, huh, why are these not drawing up? Oh yeah, the other charts have to allow the global drawing objects. It doesn't just automatically go to all your other charts. Now, if you're using our defaults out of the box, they will come up on your lower time frames. Now, I want to show you something else though. Some of my charts, you'd be like, well, why wouldn't I just have that on all the time, Vinny? I'll show you why. Let's go ahead and use this as a teaching moment here because speed's not great, not exciting. So you notice it's not showing up on my higher time frame charts. Right? I don't have it here, I don't have it here, I don't have it here. That is on purpose because if I am drawing something from one of these, I call these receivers, okay? The two lower time frame entry charts, those are my entry charts that I'm going to be pressing the buttons off of. These are informational charts, higher time frame information, executions on my entry charts, E, execution, E, entries. Everybody got that? So I want that information. I want the information charts to feed down to my entry charts, but I do not want, if I got something here on my entry charts, I don't want to feed that up to the information charts. It just gets cluttered, whatnot. Everybody understand? The reason I'm doing that is so that I can instantly see what's happening on a higher time frame, so I can take executions where I'm focused in as I'm zooming in here to my lower time frame chart, and I want to get all the way up in there, and I'm heads down into this chart, and I'm not looking around at my other charts, but I want to see this right here that we identified on a major event. Make sense? So therein lies your show global draw objects. So I purposely do not have it on the higher time frames because it will get a mess, because oftentimes I want to have multiples of these on higher time frames, and on a higher time frame they all look all mashed up. Okay, so there's a reason, and it's just experience talking there.
Subscribe for more trading videos.